Hey everybody, we're here at Fred Anderson Toyota and this is Toyota Car Care Talk where we try to answer your questions and give you knowledge about service, repair, and maintenance. Phil Jeffers here is our Master Diagnostic Technician. How's it going, Phil?
Great. How are you?
Fantastic. And Brian Newton is our Service Director. How's your day going?
Amazing.
Excellent. That's great. We had a question from one of our commenters. They wanted to know what is covered in a multi-point inspection. That's a big buzzword, and what does it mean?
Yeah, I mean, essentially, we're going to be doing that safety inspection, just a peace of mind inspection, really, right? When you bring your vehicle in, technicians like Phil here and a myriad of other technicians that we have will perform what they call as a multi-point inspection, or essentially a 120-point multi-point inspection. Once that vehicle is in the bay, we'll do an above vehicle multi-point inspection and a below vehicle multi-point inspection. The great thing here is we do a video multi-point inspection to put your eyes as what Mr. Phil's seeing here. So the main things that we're going to look at for you is your battery health and condition. We're going to see if it passes or fails our inspection each time. Your wiper blades, your engine air filter, your cabin air filter, the condition of your tires as well as the tread depth, and as well as the condition of your front and rear brakes and tread or in its depth as well, in millimeters in thickness. But you know, we just want to give the customer a peace of mind, you know, not necessarily saying, hey, this is what you need to fix, but hey, look at how well your vehicle's doing, right? Mm-hmm. So, and Phil could touch on kind of some of the stuff that he sees underneath vehicles and the things he likes to keep his eyes out for.
We definitely inspect all your suspension components, your shocks. We look for any leaks on your engine. We look for anything that could be going wrong with the vehicle. We do all your bulbs. We look at all those, make sure all those are working. Pretty much anything in the vehicle that moves, we inspect it for you. We air up your spare tire, do a lot of things.
So even the spare tire?
Yeah.
That seems very thorough.
Nothing's cool. worse than having a flat tire and then you go to change it and your spare's flat. So
that's true. And
Absolutely.
I've had some people say, well, why do I need to do a multi-point inspection at 5,000 miles? It's brand new.
You know, not everybody's perfect. You know, there could be something that's left loose from manufacturing or whatever. You just want to make sure it's peace of mind. Hey, this car was built right and it's staying together properly.
And Phil, 5,000 miles, that seems kind of soon to do a multi-point inspection. It's a brand new car. What kind of things are you looking for at that first initial visit?
We just want to make sure everything's good, all the air's staying in the tires. You could have picked up a nail or something. 5,000 miles is quite a bit of road to cover, so anything.
So Brian, what do you like best about multi-point inspection?
The thing I like about the most for the customer's sake is the fact that they're complimentary. We do it every time, and you know, peace of mind is unmeasurable as far as the value. So that's what we want to give guests.
Thanks for watching Toyota Car Care Talk. We hope you follow along and you hit subscribe. Thanks for being here. We're trying to answer your questions about service, about maintenance, and about repair because we want you to have that peace of mind and learn as much about your vehicles as possible. So thanks again for following us, and I guess we say so long.
So long.